What are the pressure relief valves and their types? Pressure relief valves are designed to protect equipment and personnel from overpressure situations that can occur in a variety of industrial processes. These valves work by opening when pressure within a system reaches a predetermined set point, allowing the excess pressure to be safely released. Pressure relief valves are commonly used in a wide range of industrial processes, including oil and gas production, chemical manufacturing, power generation, and many others. They are typically installed on vessels, piping, and equipment that contain pressurized fluids or gases. These valves are designed to open automatically when the pressure inside the vessel or equipment reaches a predetermined set point, which is usually set slightly above the operating pressure of the system. When the valve opens, it allows the excess pressure to be safely released, thereby preventing damage to equipment and protecting personnel from potential harm. In addition to their safety function, pressure relief valves also play an important role in optimizing the performance of industrial systems. For example, by ensuring that pressure is maintained within a specific range. Pressure relief valves can help to improve the efficiency of processes such as distillation, fractionation, and other types of separation processes. It's worth noting that pressure relief valves are subject to strict regulations and standards, which vary depending on the industry and the specific application. These regulations and standards are intended to ensure that pressure relief valves are designed, installed, and maintained in a way that maximizes safety and performance. In summary, pressure relief valves are an essential safety component in many industrial processes. Proper design, installation, and maintenance of these valves are critical to ensuring the safety of equipment and personnel, as well as optimizing the performance of industrial systems.